If your code looks like alphabet soup, you're in the right place. Let's make sense of Java together. Step 1. Understand the basics. Before diving into Java, make sure you know the fundamentals like variables, loops, and functions. Next, set up your development environment. Download and install the Java Development Kit and pick an IDE like Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA. Step 3. Learn Java basics. Start with the classic, Hello World. Program to get a feel for Java syntax. Then, dive into object-oriented programming. It's the heart of Java. Step 4. Practice coding. Write simple programs and tackle challenges on sites like LeetCode and HackerRank. Step 5. Explore advanced topics like collections, streams, and concurrency. Step 6. Build projects. Start small, then gradually move to bigger projects. And finally, join communities, keep learning, and always review your code. Java might seem daunting, but take it step by step. You've got this.